My name is Vikas Agrawal, Data Science and Business Analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. Today, I'm glad to share my another task, which is timeline analysis of COVID-19. In this task, I have created few dashboards and data sheets to visually represent the data. Basically, I have used three datasets to accomplish my task. One is extract. It contains the worldwide data, and these two data are of India. Now let's get started with the stories. In this story, I have represented total number of cases and tests on a geographical world map wherein we can see the monthly spread of the COVID. Now you can see the COVID cases rising throughout the world. Now I have used the bar graph representation to represent the cases and death variation. Herein, we can clearly identify that US has the greatest number of cases as well as deaths, which is being followed by India, Brazil, and so on. Now, this bar graph stimulates the COVID spread as per the population. Clearly, we can see or we can draw out relation between cases and population. We have direct relation between number of cases and population except China, who hasn't technically revealed their true data. In this slide, we have GDP per capita of different countries. The country with higher GDP such as Qatar, UAE, Ireland have curved the flow of COVID very well except US being the third most populated country. In the next slide, we have this pivot table which represents the countries as per their total number of cases and deaths. Here we can clearly see US has 33.27 million cases and death being 594.3k. In this storyboard, we have total number of jabs administered with people who are partially vaccinated or fully vaccinated. China has administered around 67 crore vaccines, whereas US has administered 30 crores vaccines. Now, to combine all these features, I have created an interactive dashboard wherein I can visualize cumulative number of cases, deaths, and vaccinations being administered. With the help of the slider, we can choose the time range from Jan 2020 to May 2021. Moreover, we can hover over any sheet to simulate the data. If we observe the current situation of the world, we have about 170 million cases, whereas death count has crossed 3.5 millions and US holds the most cases as well as deaths. But luckily, we have vaccination drive and it also has crossed over 167.7 billion counts. Now let's move towards the story of India, where we can see the distribution of COVID cases from 26 January 2020 to 30 May 2021. In the next story, we have recovered and death patients. From the visuals, it's clear that Maharashtra has the maximum number of recovered counts alongside with the deceased count. Now, this graph helps us visualize the COVID flow with respect to time. As in, we can see India was hit by two waves. One was between August and November, and the second wave is between March 2021 to May 2021. With all these features, I have created cumulative dashboard. Here, the district Here, the districts will be automatically highlighted as the number of cases increases with time. Moreover, these both graphs will also be updated by sliding the slider to and forth. Now let's head towards the vaccination drive in India. The vaccination drive in India, which began from 10 January 2021. This is the geographical map outshowing the vaccine drive. We can hover over any state to see the jab administered with fully and partially vaccinated people. Later on, we have gender distribution, or we could say gender-wise vaccine distribution, like how many males and females have been vaccinated. Now let's have a look at our final dashboard, which is for vaccination. Here I have included all those features which were in the Indian vaccination drive, such as map and these graphs. Maharashtra holds the maximum vaccine administered. At last, we cannot predict the effect of vaccines as because we haven't administered much vaccines in India or throughout the world, so that we cannot predict the efficiency of vaccines. So I hope I have made the data useful and was able to demonstrate my task in an efficient way. Thank you.